and Safal, how do you find the top team winners? Be back in time later now, so you want start with a 3x stop slot. Let's go. Let's move on to the second. Now we got another multiply there. Go straight for the numbers. 45 and 60, that's 100 4x, 105x, that's right. And how about a 3 times of short? 4x, 2x, 3x, take the numbers and roll once again. That is 90 and 30, that is 120x, that's short. Leave between 13 and 14. Around betting time is all yours. What was that? If you're talking about my sneeze, it was a sneeze, yes. I wasn't sure you could hear that, but I thought you could not hear that. But I sneezed. I could not help it. Good luck, everybody. It's like a go, achoo, but only really loud. So, right there we got a 50x and fireball, 3x on fireball number 16. No way. No way. No way! Ladies and gentlemen, number 12.